morning everyone from Brazil. So today I'm gonna teach you a bit of Brazilian tradition. So here in Brazil we have many food that we're going to prepare for Christmas dinner, but one of the most important are the desserts. So this dessert I'm gonna teach you today is something that it's kind of a meme. It became a meme in Brazil. Why? So it's so popular and most of the people do. 8.9% do this recipe, so it's really common in Brazil with different ingredients, but the main recipe is kind of the same in all. So first of all, let's start explaining a little bit. So the dessert I'm going to do, it's called pavê. So here in Brazil we have a meme that we're going to do when we arrive in the house that we are celebrating Christmas. That is called é pavê ou pra comer. So why they do that? Pavê, it's a short word in Portuguese that means to see. So when you say é pavê ou pra comer, you are saying it's to see or to eat. A bit corny, right? But many Brazilians do that at least once in a year. And now we're going to use 8 yolk egg and 200 grams of refined sugar. We're going to put here and mix everything together, okay guys?
Every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.
And then we are going to use 44 grams of cornstarch.
Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to
Mixing everything, you're going to see that the cream feels more heavy. That's the right point. And now we are going to use half of a liter of milk, okay? Integral milk. After mixing everything, we are going to use half of a vanilla. So this one we are going to cut in the middle, and then there are the seeds that are inside. So as you can see, the small seeds are what we need. Now we have the vanilla one. We are going to take it out after, but for now we are going to use it. And now we transfer all that to a pan. We are going to put low heat, okay? And can't stop mixing. Still, it's more heavy, okay? Our cream is ready. We are going to take out the vanilla and put this cream in a bowl and let it in the fridge for 2 hours, okay? Now we do like this. You have to make the plastic stay in touch with the cream, because that way it's not going to produce water, okay? So 2 hours passed. Now we have the cream. It's kind of ready. We also need to put some chantilly here. I'm buying the one that is ready, but you can also do it. So we are going to put this in another bowl. We're going to open it to prepare to put the chantilly, okay? Using a ready chantilly, so this one I just need to open, put there in, and shake it.
jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bells sound.
And now we are going to mix a little bit and have to be really gentle.
Snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeer.
Go putting little by little and really gentle, okay? We cannot do the same thing that we were doing before. Our cream is ready and we are going to prepare some coffee. Yeah, Brazilians love coffee, so we are going to put in this dessert as well. Let's prepare it.
You and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house.
Now we have our coffee. We are going to put some whiskey. So if you have kids at home and they are going to eat that, take out the whiskey and just use the coffee, okay?
Merry Christmas Day.
It's ready. We are going to put the cream first. We're going to take the cookie put in the coffee from one side and the other side.
We do a tiny layer of cream and we put the champagne cookies in the coffee together with the whiskey, remembering that if you have kids you don't put the whiskey, and you put on top of this tiny layer of cream.
Put all the cookies that we need, and we are going to put the cream again.
Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friend.
Now we must repeat the process, so drown the cookie in the coffee and put on top of the cream.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard.
Time for the chocolate. We're going to put some chocolate. I'm going to mix it with dark chocolate to make it balanced. And we're going to use milk cream. I guess it's this way that we call in English. We're going to do something that we call ganache. So let's do it.
Christmas Day.
Now to do the ganache, we are going to mix the dark chocolate with the milk chocolate. So half of half will be a balance. I already heat the milk cream. So we're going to put a little bit of these, put a little of those, and let's mix it.
After that, you're going to put half of a spoon of butter.
Our ganache, we're going to put directly to the pie, and that is the best part.
As we walk from house to house.
And now our pie is ready. We have to put in the fridge for 3 hours, and then it's ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt about the recipe, please let in a comment. Like this video, subscribe for more, and let's go to the next adventure.